Okay, blood types are a little bit different. For blood types, we have a codominant situation because we have blood type A and blood type B. They are both dominant, so they are codominant, meaning one is not dominant over the other. But if you know anything about blood types, blood type O is recessive. So now we have a codominant situation and a recessive situation. There's a certain notation that you have to use for these genotypes. For blood type A, you can be homozygous blood type A, which is IA to IA. It's like I to the A power, I to the A power. Or it can be heterozygous. I'm going to write homozygous here first. Or they can be heterozygous blood type A, which would be IA little I. That is hetero. You're going to need to know these. You have to memorize them. They're not going to be given to you on the test. For blood type B, you can be homozygous blood type B, which is IB. Okay, that's homozygous blood type B. Or you can be heterozygous blood type B, which is IB little I. Blood type AB is the blending of the codominant alleles. So the only way to write blood type AB is IAIB. And then blood type O is recessive. And so if you haven't caught on, when you're heterozygous over here, those little i's are representing the O. So blood type O is written as little I, little I. This is the notation that you have to know for your test. You have to know that, how to write it. If you're not writing them in that fashion, you're not going to get it right. All right, so cross a heterozygous blood type A, so that's IA, little I, separate your letters, with a person who has blood type AB, so that's IA, IB. Bring your letters together the same way you normally would, IA, IA, little I, right? The dominant letter would be written before the recessive letter. IA, IB, and IB, little I. Phenotype ratio, look to see what blood types do I have inside the boxes. 2 out of my 4 boxes are blood type A. So I have a 50% chance of having blood type A. I have 1 out of 4 boxes of getting blood type AB, so 25% AB. And I have 1 box of blood type B, so that is going to be 25% of B. Genotype ratio, you're going to have to write it out. So 25% IA, 25% IA, little I. All these are different, so it's 25% of each. 25% IA, IB, and 25% of IB, little I. For example 2, cross a person with blood type AB with a person who has blood type O. AB would be IA, IB. Blood type O would be little I, little I. First box would be IA, little I. Second box would be IB, little I. Third box is AI, IA, little I, and then IB, little I. Phenotype percent are 50-50, right? Half the kids are going to be A, half the kids are going to be B. So you're just going to write 50% A and, 50% B. And then for genotype percent, you write out the genotype. So 50% IA, little I, and 50% IB, little I.